Well, this is one more wonderful session of the There is No Place Like Working from Home by HPECSC Bangalore. I'm Ara. I'm going to be conducting yogic breath for you. It's a very beautiful amalgamation of yoga, which people call yoga, with meditation. Since we are in the time of lockdown and your physical fitness and your mental health is very, very important for us. It's imperative, and so we thought of bringing this session to you. We are going to go to the explanation of yogic breath a little later, a couple of minutes later. But for now, I want to know who all have joined us. So if I can see who are lying here, it would be amazing. First and foremost, I need you all to have your videos on. Okay, this session, the videos have to be on for no other reason but for a simple logic. We are going to get into very intense breath work and postures, and I really have to know that you guys are doing it correct, otherwise you might hurt yourself. Okay, you might do it wrong way and it might not give you the results. So I really need you to see on video, very important for me. Okay, so let me see how am I not able to see you all. Give me a second. Okay, wow, there you go. Yes. So we have a lot of people. Why do I have pictures over here? I don't need pictures. Very warm welcome to everyone. Sudhakar, where are you? Sunil, where are you? Vibhu, Disha, Kovala, Nelson, Khalida, come on. Hi Rajesh, a very warm welcome. I can see you. All right. You guys, to begin with, can you unmute yourself so that I can kind of talk to you a little bit? शुरुआत में unmute कर दें. मैं आपको बता दूँगी जब आपको mute करना है. Yes. Let's unmute ourselves, all of us. Very good evening, Sunil. Welcome. A very warm welcome. Hi, Disha. Very good evening. All right. I see loads of them still not coming on the video. You cannot attend the session without coming on the video. Okay, everyone? Yes. Hi, Nivedita. Very good evening to you.
Hey. Hi, Ada. Welcome.
Hi. Nivedita, what I'm seeing is you're wearing a wired headphone, or is it a Bluetooth?
No. It's just the headset, HP headset.
Okay. So, but would you be able to move enough for the yoga session?
No, actually, I was not prepared to be working along with you. I was just attending it as a session. But yeah, that's why I was not on video too.
No problem. You can still stay here. What you can do is the breathing part of it. Yeah, the ones that we're standing and doing. I think there's only one pose that I've taken of that one posture, but the rest is all sitting and breathing. That you can do even sitting on your chair. Not a problem. Yes?
Sure. Super. Thank you. Yeah.
Right. And who else is there with us? We have Nelson. A very warm welcome, Nelson. Hi. You seem to be already geared up. Yes, I can see that. All right. Very, very important, everyone. Water and napkin, because we will be doing intense breath work, which means you will get really, very thirsty. Okay? So please keep your water with you. And secondly, your napkins, because I promise you, you're going to sweat and lose good calories today. Okay, but this is going to be in the inner muscles workout, so you don't have to worry about ke shaam ke 8 baj gaye. I understand you must have worked entire day and now suddenly, hello, I'm not going to exercise. That will not make you work on those notes, but we will do some beautiful breathing today. Okay, Khalida, I don't have you up still. Komal, Chetan, Sudhakar, where are you? Srijanaya, where are you? Thank you, Niharika. I can't see you. I have to see you guys, everyone. Come on, come up. Vibhu, I can't see you. I know you look very, very good in that picture. But guys, the whole point of doing the Zoom is being face to face, right? There is no point otherwise. We could have done a comm call, but we are here so that we can see each other and do the session. All right. In the meantime, I think I'm going to tell you a little bit about what is going to happen today. So, what I need to know right now, first of all, some certain rules that we need to know, which I think everyone must have bombarded you with it. But the same thing I'm going to tell you, video is compulsion in this session because I have to see you if you are doing this. Okay. Secondly, no nicknames, no artificial names, no codes. I need your real names. Imagine me saying James Bond 007, you don't know how to breathe. That will not sound nice. Okay. So please put your real names, punch in your real names. Completely close yourself for the next 35 minutes. This is your time from your life. You have been full of responsibilities, work-wise, family-wise. These 35 minutes belong to you and only you, and will work towards you, okay? So cut down from everything. In your background, no people, no sounds. Lock yourself down, okay? Mic-wise, I'm going to do initially a little 10-15 minutes of talking because I have to explain you the meditation and the entire yoga session. Once it starts with the music, we are not going to talk to each other. Your mics will be on mute mode, and then after the session, you can again unmute them. If you want to ask any questions, please ask me before when I am telling you about things, okay? Put it in your chat, or maybe you can just unmute yourself and simply asking the question, or towards the end. Once we have finished it, you can ask me as many questions as you want, okay? In the meantime, I will go again check who all are here with us. Gox, I have no clue if that is your real name, Gox. I don't even know if that is a male or a female. So please, no nicknames, please come up quickly. We have Nelson with us. Hi, Nelson. Hello, I'm glad to see you. Wow, absolutely brilliant. Nivedita, I can't see you. Komal, I can't see you. Sudhakar, can't see you. Come on. Hi, Kamal, can't see you. Everyone, back up the video, back up the video. Come on, we have to begin. We don't have time left. Okay? So I am going to explain you now a little bit about the session that we're going to do today. But before that, I need you all to answer one question. You can unmute yourself and you can answer me. What are you looking at today in this session? Weight loss, mental peace, or overall balance? Nothing wrong with anything, just tell me.
Everything.
Overall balance?
Weight loss. I would say everything, all the three.
All right. So all the three. Then in that case, I'm going to balance it that way. Disha, you said you want to lose weight, right? This is a 30-35 minutes workout. Precisely 30 minutes, I have to say, and you will lose approximately 300 calories here. Okay, which is a very good weight loss. If you go to the gym in an hour's workout, you end up losing 350 to 400 calories on an average. Here you will lose this much if you give your total energy to it. So when I say breathe, breathe. Because we are not working on outer muscles, we are working on the inner fat directly. Yes? All right, guys. So this is...
Sorry, cut you out. Can we have the session recorded?
That you have to ask.
It is being recorded.
It is being recorded,
Khalida.
Okay, but I don't see that, usually that button goes red, turns red, right?
Oh, it's there on the top. It's getting recorded.
Okay,
So
awesome.
not to worry, all the sessions have been recorded and will be uploaded to Microsoft Streams. We have sent out the link already for some of the previous sessions as well.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Super. So don't worry, you can always take this later and keep on doing it on your own. I promise you one thing, 21 days, if you do this one session, you'll be amazed at the results that you will see, not just in your body, but in your mind also. Originally, this meditation is of around 1 hour, 15 minutes, but I had to cut it down because we're doing it at 8 p.m. It's night time. So most of you will not have that intense workout energy right now, yeah? So you make it more like you will be energetic and relaxed towards the end. Okay. Now I am going to go a little ahead with this. So let me tell you a little bit about myself. You have to know, right? आप किसके हाथ में हो? आपके कुछ भी करा देगा. So let me tell you a little bit about myself. I have been with healing therapies and meditations since last 23 years. I have been conducting them in India, across the country, in the US, the Southeast Asia, in Europe, everywhere. I basically work with a lot of active meditation. A lot of active meditation. Now, what are active meditations? I'll explain to you in a bit. I specialize in relationship counseling. That is what I do. तो मेरे रहते को divorce हो जाए ये हो नहीं सकता. ये मेरी जगह है. So that's what I work on. I'm also working since last 6 years very rigorously on our Zen G, our new generation. Very restless minds, so much of weight, so much of pressure on them, peer pressure on them, and they're really fighting a tough competition just to survive. And it's very important for them to be connected to themselves and be in peace. So we are working on them, and I specifically work with a lot of IT people, by the way, because I think with you all, So much of data, so much of knowledge, there's so much going inside. And what happens at that time is when there is a hard drive, it crashes, right? If it is overloaded. So most of the IT people are kind of a little disconnected with their hearts and stuff like that. So we work a lot with IT people too. So that is all about me. We work with the science of breathwork, thought cutting, neuro-linguistic programming, which is used for redesigning, paradigm redesigning, and I work a lot with dance and the science of sound. Sometimes if you get an opportunity, I will make you do a dance meditation and you will love it. This is all about me. Coming next, we should go to yogic breath. All right. Now, this particular meditation, as I said, is an amalgamation of your body loss, which is physical workout, and your mental balance. Okay, meditation. Based on three things. First is yoga. Anybody needs to know anything about yoga? Everyone knows yoga. Sabhi ko yoga pata hai. We are all from India. We all know what is yoga. I'm not wasting time on telling you anything about that. I will straight away move to the second one. But before I do that, आप सभी ने कहीं ना कहीं meditation किया होगा, right? Especially the IT people, since they are on very higher plane, I see most of them get involved with some kind of spiritual work. I've seen that. So, what is meditation to you? Chat, come on, chat. What is meditation to you? I want to see.
Meditation is silencing your mind and connecting to your inner self.
Right, okay. Peace of mind and body, says Nivedita. Khalida says finding peace, all right. Free from everyone. Anurag, okay. Detachment is what you're looking at. Not bad, not bad. And? Right, okay. Stress buster. Nice. You can dance and have a good stress buster. Yes, meditation is also one. That is true. That was Disha. Yes, Disha, that is true. It is a good stress buster. It kind of actually does something else. I will tell you what it does. Okay, so that is meditation. And I'm assuming that what are the results? This is meditation. Something that takes you to the result, which is called peace, which takes away your stress. Says one thing, you all are stressed a lot. Okay. What kind of meditations have you done? Anybody has done any meditations? Do you practice any kind of meditations?
Yes, I do practice Isha Kriya of Sadhguru, if you have heard about it.
Brilliant, brilliant. Very, it's a very good kriya. It's a very good kriya, and they work a lot on affirmations actually. Yes, I've seen that. Very nice. Anything else? Anybody else has done any meditations before? Yeah, you can YouTube videos, Tai Chi. Oh, that's a very beautiful thing. Yes. You have been healthy, fit and final meditation for you. All right, okay. So now let me tell you, most of the people think meditation is concentration, focus. Probably you will sit and you will do some affirmations, watching your breath. All these are passive meditations. But passive meditations don't work on you without active meditations. So it's like what I said, if your hard drive is full and you're going to put more data inside, it will not work. Your hard drive is going to crash. It will have no effect. So it's all your effort gone waste. So it's very, very important for you to get into active meditations, which means you will work physically with your energy, with your breath work, with your catharsis, and many more intense stuff. Right? I will explain that to you later. Right now, probably we will start with the session in a few more moments. So I will explain that later if you need to know. You know, the whole bit is so many masters across the world, so many meditations and therapies, and all of them are brilliant. But which one is meant for you? Let me tell you, like every medicine is meant for different kind of ailment, and every person doesn't have the same ailment. Every ailment is not there all the time in your life, right? That's exactly like that. Your meditations for different people, for different situations in life are different. How to find that is a very, it always depends upon, it will depend upon what situation you are in, okay? And that is the base, that's a platform of today's meditation that we have made, especially for lockdown, where people have been going through cabin fever, which means that you are throwing your emotions already on people, your mind is not that balanced, it's very restless, and apart from that, physically you have not been able to do much, which means physically also you're not very fit. That has been kept in mind, and that is what we have device today. Based on 3 science, yoga, I'm not going to explain breath work, the fastest way of oxygenating your brain, fastest way of oxygenating your body. Why do you fall down? What happens inside your system? When your heart is pumping, it is purifying blood, 7,000 liters a day. Yes, 70% goes to your brain, 30% goes to your body. But when you're in stress, your purification, that entire process is compromised. And so impure blood starts getting transferred to your brain. It gets transported to your entire body and you get ailments. Worst, this is a snowballing effect. So slowly and gradually this keeps on increasing and the malfunction takes place. So you start forgetting things. That happens to you. You start getting angry on stuff, start snapping with at people. You can't think clearly. Your decision-making skills go for a toss. That is all the effect of your stress through your heart. Breath work is going to immediately reverse that. Literally immediately. So we are going to oxygenate. It is going to pump the oxygen in your brain, and the entire process goes reverse, and your mind gets in place. That's what you mean when you say it is peaceful. Okay. So that is one thing that happens with breath work. Secondly, it releases loads of happy hormones like endorphins and dopamine and serotonin, so many of them, right? And that is what happens, is why you feel so joyful and nice today. That is all. Thought cutting is very small. If you require to ask a question, ask me towards the end. All I'm going to say is do what you're going to do in totality. Put your 100%. Last but not the least, anybody with heart ailment, any kind of heart problems, will slow down. Wherever you feel you don't want to do it, slow down. Secondly, if you have any kind of breath problem, again, breathing में कुछ तकलीफ है, रुक जाइए, slow हो जाइए, कोई problem नहीं है. Knee problem, if you're not fine with sitting in a particular position, you can change your position. Okay? I guess, yes, there will be exercises on your spine because, especially with IT people, you sit a lot. And your spine, it kind of loses the gaps in between the discs. So we are going to open up your spine. Okay? So if anyone has an injury, then you don't attempt that. Then you're going to just breathe and stay there. Even breathing is going to open up your nerves. So the job will be done. Okay guys, it is time to begin. Everyone, take a deep breath in. Can we have everyone sitting straight, please? Please sit straight. Please, can we have the videos on? Everyone, please have the videos on. Because if I don't see you, it's not going to work out. Okay? Thank you. Please keep your videos on. Take a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale. One more deep breath in. Fill your body with the air. Hold. Exhale and close your eyes. Last time, a deep breath in. Hold your breath. And exhale. Normal breathing. All right. Now we will open our eyes. So, before we start working through our chakras in our body, we are going to open our chakras or DNA, whatever that you want to call it. Okay? So, we will start breathing in from root to hara, to solar plexus, to heart, to throat, to third eye, to crown, in installments. So every time you take a small breath, small breath, small breath, small breath, till the time you are filling here. Okay, so let's try with me. Go to root, hara, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, crown, hold the breath, and release. And show once again. Root, hara, solar plexus, heart, throat, and crown. Hold and release. Everyone, please join in. Your hands down and root. Hara, solar plexus, third eye, heart, third eye, crown, hold and release. One more. Root, hara, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, crown, hold, release. One more. Root, hara, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, crown, release. And last time. Root, hara, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, crown, and release. Sit there with closed eyes and meditate. Okay. Come back. Now we are going to start with our session where we will use three kinds of breaths. One is deep, intense, especially for your lower chakras. The solar plexus heart will always have the medium kind of breaths that you will get. The rhythm is given in the music, and then we will come to throat where you will use breath of fire, which is called Kapalbhati in yoga. Okay, and then we will go to our third eye, crown and base chakra, which is going to be relaxed breathing with chanting. There is a Om chanting that I have used here. If you don't want to use that chanting, you can simply hum. So you can go with the sound. Okay. But before we come to that meditative stage, first there is a lot of workout that you have to do. So I'm going to begin with explaining you the very first set. After every set that you're going to do, we will go to silence. In silence, you're supposed to keep your palms towards the sky, on your necks, on your thighs. Close your eyes and turn your eyes towards your third eye and deep breathing. So your palms facing up, your eyes closed, facing, looking towards your third eye and deep breathing. Every single time I say meditate. Let's begin with the very first session. Everyone, if you can sit in Vajrasana, great. If you are on your chairs, great. Your hands will start with the root chakra. Breathe in when you are going outside. So breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Remember, this is brilliant for your spine. So once you don't have a spine injury, this is going to open your spine out, especially because you have sitting problem all the time. It will strengthen your spine muscles. Okay, so let's do it. Once with me, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Keep going, breathe in, breathe out. Now when you keep doing this, there will be a bell sound. Your hands will move to solar plexus and you will go. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. There will be a bell sound again. And you will shift your hands to your knees. And now you will start breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. You're tilting backwards if you can see. Alright, this is your first section. After this, I'll keep explaining in the breaks. Let's begin. Everyone with me. Can we have the track, please? on your thighs. Hands on your thighs, eyes closed, turn towards your third eye, and meditate. Watch the heart beating. Alright. Now, all of us, if you could please stand up. If you could please stand up, all of us. Everyone. Let's do it. Come on, quickly, stand up, stand up. Yes, great, awesome. Stand up with your feet wide, okay? Your left toe is facing in the front. Your left toe is facing in the front. Your right toe is facing to your right. So if you see I'm making a right angle, bend your knee. Yes. Raise your right arm in the right direction. Now, take your left arm and stretch a bow. Look towards your right arm, your right hand. There is a fist. Both hands are fisted. आपकी मुट्ठी बंधी हुई है. Over the right shoulder, your eyes are open. Now, any root chakra workout will have deep breathing. So remember, when you are in this position, you will deep breathe. Really deep breathing. Once we do it on the right side, we will do it on the left side. Let's begin. Left toe straight, right toe on the right side, bend your knee, right hand is up there in the right side, and you will pull a bow. You're looking over your hand. Don't forget, deep breath. Your right foot is straight, your left foot is on left, you will bend the left knee, you will pull the left hand and pull the bow. Face left, eyes open. Come back. Stand to your Vajrasana. Come back to your seats. You can sit. Arms facing up, eyes closed, turned up towards the third eye. Meditate. we will move towards our heart chakra, the center of love and love of pain. So we are going to move our heart a lot today. We've already worked on heart chakra one more time. You are going to bring your left hand in front of your heart, palm facing front, very important. Right hand on the left hand, so right palm on the left palm, slide and hold. I will do that again. Left hand, palm facing forward, right palm on the left palm, slide and hold tight. Lock it. Now breathe in, take your left elbow up. Breathe out and bring it down. Once again, breathe in, go up. Breathe out and come down. In rhythm. Raise your hand. Thank you. Now it is time for us to work on our throat chakra. Okay? So, very simple. Get your hands to this angle, the right angle if you can see. Now, your thumb and your first finger, index finger, they are touching each other. You will look left when you open your arms, and you look towards right when you close your arms. Once again, look left when you open your arms, look right when you close your arms. When you're looking left, you will breathe in. And when you're going right, you will breathe out. You will breathe in, you will breathe out, but in speed. So, that's going to be the speed. Throat chakra is very, very important for your expression. Most of the people cannot say what they feel. Even the extroverts, they say something else and they mean something else. When you work on your throat chakra, it gives you authenticity, it also gives you courage to speak your mind, your heart the way it is. Also, it will protect you from thyroid problems. It is very important for you to now work on thyroid because these days, that's one of the most common ailments that people are suffering with. Let's begin. Hands here. Breathe, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. and stretch your hands. Alright, now we will work towards our throat chakra once again, but this time a little more intensely. So we are going to open our chest also. Okay? Now this posture is kind of a little difficult. It's a difficult posture. So if you have spine injury, do not try this. I will show you the alternative to it. Right now, come on your knees like this and hold your heels and look up. And you this time you will try the breath of fire, which is called Kapalbhati. So now for the ones who cannot do this because this requires flexibility, you'll simply be on your knees and you will join your hands, bring it up towards the sky, looking up. So your eyes are towards the sky, eyes are open, and Kapalbhati, the breath of fire. This is really going to open your chakra big time. So on this one, let's begin. Down, bring your neck forward, touch your chest and meditate. Your neck is bent forward, eyes are closed, and deep breathing. Wow. Okay. We are going to move towards the last exercise. So I think the first breathing is all done. Now we will move towards a little healing part. Since we have done the cord cutting, when we did this in the heart chakra, and we have opened up all the chakras, we are very vulnerable. Very important for us to take that energy from the existing. So, sit in the comfortable position. Your left hand is going to go up. This is your receiving side, the energy receiving side. So it will stay up. Your right hand palm will face upwards and we will start chanting. Bring your hand down, sit and meditate. Eyes towards the third eye. We'll move to our third eye chakra now. So, interlace your fingers, अपनी उंगलियों को इस तरह फंसा लें जिसे हाथ पकड़ते हैं. Women, ladies will have their left thumb over the right thumb. आपका बायां अंगूठा दाएं अंगूठे के ऊपर है. For men, it is the opposite. So, you will interlace it the other way around. Right thumb is over the left thumb. Very important, which means men, all the gentlemen, your small finger of the left hand is at the bottom. Okay? So, ladies, left thumb up, men, right thumbs up. Take it up. Lock it there. This is called Venus lock. This is for your third eye. Start chanting. Eyes closed. Bring your hands down, bring your hands down. If you want, you can stretch your arms and pull your spine up. Open the spine and exhale. Okay, and now it is the last one, which is for your crown chakra ace-tool. Again, interlace your fingers. Thumbprint to thumbprint, आपका अंगूठा एक दूसरे के सामने है. इंडेक्स फिंगर आपकी पहली उंगली सामने की तरफ पॉइंट करेगी. फिर से बताती हूँ, आप इंटरलेस करेंगे. थंबप्रिंट टू थंबप्रिंट और आपकी पहली उंगली इंडेक्स फिंगर सामने की तरफ होगी. अब आप इसे फिर ऊपर की तरफ ले जाएंगे. ये आपका कम्युनिकेशन है यूनिवर्स के साथ. दिस इज योर कनेक्टिविटी ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी. सो योर आईज क्लोज, टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ एंड स्टार्ट chanting. Bring your hands down. Arms up, eyes turned upwards and meditate. If you want to lie down, you can very well lie down. Keep meditating till the time you hear a bell sound. तब तक ध्यान करें जब तक आपको बेल यानी कि घंटी नहीं सुनाई देती. Keep meditating.
Birth, life, and death are the greatest experiences that existence has given us. And since we don't know where, when, or how we will die, my conclusion is I must not take my life for granted. I must value it. I must live totally in deep appreciation.
Okay. And soon can we get the music down, please? Thank you so much. Is everyone back? Okay, I still see you guys are chatting, you're writing, you've been doing it with me, but your videos are not on, so I can't see you, obviously. How many counts and reps we need to do? Khalida. Khalida, that is exactly why the music was given. You didn't need to really worry about that because the music will have, given you the guidance, it will have guided you. So that you don't have to put your, head into so many counts because then again you go into the same machinery. So that's why music was given. You really didn't need to worry about it. And then we have what are the names of the asanas we did so far and benefit of doing it. There was a mix of many asanas. Honestly, today I did a very light version because I could not see any one of you on video. Now, all the heavy asanas that I would have done, I think I will be able to do it tomorrow also. It's 8 to 8 p.m. in the evening. It's not good to do those asanas right now. You will see tomorrow it's going to be more vigorous, and we did Vajrasana, we did Dhanurasana, we did so many of them, 3-4 of them. Most of the time I was working with the chakras and we worked a lot. Someone has asked what body parts have you really worked on? We worked on your legs, we worked on your core, we worked on your shoulders, your biceps, your hands, your neck. These are the main areas that we worked on, and your lungs, big time, because right now most important is to strengthen your lungs, and that is what today has happened to you. If you keep doing this exercise, you won't have to worry about pandemic at all, literally at all, okay? Because if your lungs are very powerful, you will not even know when it comes in and goes, so you don't have to worry. So that's what we have worked on. What are the benefits of doing it? As I said, this is going to give you a clearer head, clearer mind, your chakras are aligned. The more you do it, today we did a very small session of 35 minutes, right? So you will see the result then. Obviously, you become stronger, your muscles are going to become stronger. Tomorrow, 10 o'clock, we have a session again of the same thing. 4 o'clock, we have the session again. And at that time, I'm going to include some vigorous ones. So there you will see there's actually a muscle building happening, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What time is the best to do these asanas? I always suggest in the morning. Yes, please do it in the morning, especially when you're doing it. Do it after eating, at least 1 hour of gap. Or empty stomach is the best. This will give you the best result. But even if you have eaten, give it 1 hour, and then if you do this, this will give you very good results. Okay, all right. Thank you, thank you. Okay, all right. So I have to tell you that we are going to give away a gift today to one of the best, meditators who really got involved and sincerely did it. Now I'm really confused between two people because most of you I couldn't see, you're now in the video. All right. So I am confused. Who should I give the gift to? Is there anybody who's going to help me with it? If we want to reach out to you, how do we do? You can connect with me on @ in my Instagram. The handle is TheAdaKhan, TheAdakhan. TheAdakhan on my Insta. You can connect with me. I was there the whole time and doing with you. That is Aruna. Okay, but I couldn't see you. How am I supposed to give you the gift? I can't see you. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to ask my console to give me the name because they are right now looking at everyone. Okay, they are going to give me the name. Who's going to be the winner? I have one in mind because he's very sincere. Yes, that is true. I also agree. I think Nelson and Disha are there throughout. I saw both of them. They did not leave throughout. There was one more lady that I can't see. She was also there. Now she's left. So there, I have to choose between Nelson, Rajesh, and Disha. Okay. Yes, Rajesh. I saw Rajesh also doing. He was there continuously. Okay. Now this is going to be so difficult. Who should I give it to? There is just one gift I have. There's one person I'm supposed to select. Whom should we give it to? Whom should we give it to? Okay. I was wearing what? Home clothes. Hence didn't switch on the videos. Didn't matter. It was absolutely fine. This is your workout time. This is your me time. Nobody has a right to judge you and you should not be judged at all. This is how you look. No body shaming. No look shaming. Okay? So don't worry about that. But I didn't see you. We didn't see you on the video. Next time, tomorrow 10 o'clock or afternoon 4 o'clock, come back. You are going to see some good asanas tomorrow. And this time, keep the video on. Keep it with you. You put all the efforts. How sweet of you, sweetheart. No, I'm going to give it away. Definitely. Even my fiance was doing with me. Aruna, I'm not going to please see you on the screen. I want to see you and your fiance both. Hello, this is not happening at all. Okay, so there he is. Hi, Aruna. Hi. Such a lovely face, handsome face. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Are you guys fine? Are you feeling good?
Yep. That was
Today was
really refreshing and it helped the spine a lot. That's true. It's helped a lot. Yeah. My fiance has a spine problem because we generally sit and walk, right? So she was doing the same thing what you're doing, what you're telling us. So it helped us a lot.
Wow, great. I'm glad that it helped you, and thank you so much for being there continuously. Next time, don't worry about your looks. How much does it matter? Everyone is in lockdown mode. We don't care how we look anymore, and that's the whole bit about it. Thank you so much, you guys, for joining us. Okay, and if you can join us tomorrow, day after, I will show you some very interesting exercises tomorrow. I will kind of change it a little bit because today I was very mild. It's 8 p.m. in the evening. So, not a time to really put you in a rigorous workout. Yes. Aruna is gunning for the clip. Okay, Aruna, are you?
No.
Well, you will get. Okay, so you will get one if you come tomorrow. Tabitha said that. By the way, Tabitha has said that she was gunning for the gift. I made that man bun too. Oh, okay, you made that man bun too. I love it. This is the best. When you have a hairstyle problem, half hair up, and you are done. This is the easiest one. I can give you some beauty tips also if you need. Okay, all right. Do you want to ask any questions regarding cord cutting? Oh, I did not explain you what was cord cutting, right? So what we did for your heart was cord cutting. It was a mix of breath work and cord cutting, right? This one that we did, it is cord cutting. basically in your life there are so many experiences, so many people that you have cut away from, but they are still inside you in form of memories in your body cells. Okay? And today whatever that you live is out of the experiences of what you have seen yesterday. And so because you're living today out of past, you end up designing your future out of your past. So it's very, very important to disconnect yourself from your thoughts from that particular experience. Now, just a little amazing tip that I'm going to give you. Men, you're so lucky. After a man has connected with a woman, I'm talking about relationship, okay? Now, man-woman relationship. He disconnects with her in 72 hours. He can cut his cord in 72 hours. It takes 72 hours for him to cut off. But for a woman, it takes 7 years. 7 years it takes for you to cut off from a man, okay? So it is very, very important for women to do the cord cutting exercises. There are many more cord cutting exercises. This was also a cord cutting exercise along with the breath. This was the cord cutting exercise that we did. This one. I'm going to do one more version tomorrow of this one. That is also cord cutting with breath. You want to know more about, please come on to the Ada Khan on Insta, and then maybe I can help you out with that. Yeah, so that is cord cutting for you. Is there any other question anyone has?
Ada, Nelson here.
Yes.
A small suggestions. Audio was a little not clear that much. If you could use
Yes, we kind of figured that.
neckband or something, so that will
Okay.
help next time.
We will try and do that. I think tomorrow we will avoid using the Bluetooth. The problem is if I use a wired one, I have to stay near the computer. Then I can't show you the exercise.
So there's Bluetooth neckband also available. Probably you can just put on that and can use it.
We will try that one also. I'm going to
Yeah.
try that today. In fact, I have one. I'm going to try that.
Sure.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nelson, for your feedback.
No.
There is something else. Thanks a ton. Conquering exercises work for me. Thanks a ton. Arjun Khan. Anjum Khan. Anjum, thank you so much. I'm very happy that, these are the exercises that have worked for you. What exactly do you have in your body, Anjum? If you could write, then maybe I can suggest something more to you. All right. By the time you think what it is that you're going to write, I'm going to finally announce the gift. And the gift goes to, honestly, it goes to Nelson. Let's give it up for Nelson, everyone. Come on, give a big round of applause for Nelson. Nelson, thank you so much. Honestly, in your age, men are not interested in this stuff. They are more interested in, other things in life, probably football or some kind of other exercise. So it's nice to see you here. Good that you're working also towards your inner growth. Very nice, Nelson.
Thank you.
So congratulations for your gift. Jo kuch bhi hai, adha baatenge, okay?
Sure. Thank you.
Yes. Tabitha says congratulations, Nelson. If sitting in Vajrasana is difficult in the beginning, any other sitting posture that can be used, please. Yes, of course, you can sit cross-legged. If this is a problem, you can sit on a chair. It's absolutely fine. Most of the exercises that I have shown can be done on the chair, so you don't have to worry about it. Yes. Nelson, yoga is the reason you dance so well. Nelson, you dance?
Yes, I do.
Wow. How much time are we left with? Oh, we have already crossed the time. I would have asked you to dance otherwise, Nelson. That would have been a good send-off to everyone. But well, Nelson, congratulations and thank you so much everyone for joining in. Once again, let's give it up for HPE CSC Bengaluru for putting up this platform for all of us. Come on, everyone. Thank you so much for being wonderful. I'm going to see you tomorrow, 10 a.m. sharp. If you all want to join me, come back. We will see you with some new exercises. Bye. Good night. Have fun. This is Ada signing off.